Welcome to Full On Bar. In this video, we cover how to create multi-main table sessions in InfoLN, one of LN's most powerful UI patterns. Every time you open a sales order with header at the top and line tabs below, that's an MMT session. We'll walk through the architecture, implicit save behavior, step-by-step creation, deep copy, filtering, and best practices. Let's get started. The multi-main table session is one of InfoLN's most powerful and recognizable UI patterns. Every time a user opens a sales order and sees the header at the top with order lines, shipping details, and financial summaries as tabs below, that is an MMT session. Understanding how to design, build, and deploy MMT sessions is essential for any LN developer working on custom session development or extension work. The MMT architecture has 4 key components. The controller session sits at the top, a sales order header, a purchase order, an item master. When the user selects a different header record, all satellite tabs refresh automatically. Satellite sessions are the child sessions displayed as tabs in the lower panel, each with its own main table. Link field mapping connects the controller's key fields to satellite foreign keys. Incorrect mapping is the most common cause of empty or wrong satellite data. And each session has its own form defining field layout and grid columns. A critical behavioral difference in MMT sessions is implicit save. LN automatically saves the current record when the user changes focus from the header to a satellite tab, or from one satellite to another. Users don't need to click save, the system persists data silently. This means developers must ensure validation logic in before.save hooks is robust, because saves fire on focus change, not only on explicit user action. Here's the step-by-step creation process using session TTEDV25000M000 in LN Studio. Step 1. Design the data model first, confirm all tables, domains, and key field relationships are defined before creating sessions. Step 2. Create the controller header session, set type to MMT header, assign the main table, create a form, and follow the naming convention XXYYY to 500M000. Step 3. Create the detail session, the expanded single record view when drilling into a header, type details, convention XXYYY to 100M000. Step 4. Create each satellite session, set type to satellite, assign the satellite's main table and form. The session title becomes the tab label, so make it clear and descriptive. Step 5. Assign satellites to the controller and map link fields. For each satellite, configure the link field mapping. Map every component of the controller's primary key to the corresponding foreign key in the satellite table. This is the most critical step. If the header key is composite, like company plus order number, every component must be mapped. Step 6. Integrate the MMT into the menu. Add the controller session to the relevant LN menu module. MMT sessions can also be launched programmatically from a list session using a start.session call. Step 7. Test navigation and implicit save thoroughly. Verify that header records load correctly. Selecting a different header refreshes all satellite tabs, editing a satellite and switching tabs triggers implicit save, and deep copy and delete operate on the full header plus line structure. MMT sessions support deep copy, copying the header record and all child records across all satellite tabs in a single action, and deep delete, which removes everything atomically. Both must be explicitly configured on the controller session. For filtering, MMT supports easy filtering, an inline filter row controlled by tools parameters, and the standard filter menu for advanced queries. Satellite sessions are always filtered implicitly by the controller selection and don't support independent user filtering. Follow these best practices for MMT sessions. Design the data model completely before creating sessions. Retrofitting key changes is painful. Use meaningful satellite titles since they become tab labels. Validate link field mappings with a live test record. Never assume mapping is correct. Consider implicit save when designing validation hooks. Before .sav must handle partial entry states. Never start a satellite directly as standalone. Test deep copy with composite key tables. And follow LN naming conventions, M000 for headers, M100 for details, M200 onwards for satellites. MMT sessions are the gold standard UX pattern in Info-LN for presenting hierarchical data. Once you've built one end-to-end, you understand why they're so prevalent throughout the standard application. The controller satellite architecture, implicit save behavior, link field mapping, and deep copy capabilities combine to produce sessions that are powerful and intuitive for end users. For LN developers, mastering MMT creation is a natural progression from understanding the data model, domain layer, and code organization patterns. That wraps up our complete guide to creating MMT sessions in Info-LN. Visit fullomban.com for more tutorials and development guides. Explore the FOB repository, FOB training, and FOB certification portals. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. Training batches for 2026 and 2027 are now open. Thank you for watching.